January 28, 2025, officers were called by Starbucks after a teen snatched some money out of their cash register.
Yo, come here.
Alright, he's running towards 950 Park. No panic. All black jacket, black jeans, white shoes. Ah! Let's go. I got him.
Alright, you got him. 950 Park.
Why are you running? Keep your hands out of your pockets. Huh? I'm gonna see. What am I gonna see? Why are you trying to act tough? I'm not acting tough. Why did you steal from Starbucks?
You want to use that for?
Yeah, we're fine. Where are your feet?
What are you doing over here?
I think to fix something at the courtroom.
So you just got out of court right now, and you just came to Starbucks and stole money. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's what happened? Okay. Where'd you go to court for?
To get a warrant.
You have a warrant?
Yeah.
Okay. I ran him right now, but I'm telling him. Hey, you're not coming back with that name, man. What's your real name?
That's my name.
Alright. We'll sign complaints with us and then you can just say your
Over to BP with the manager for Charlotte.
Boston. Put your other hand up there.
Alright, don't get listen to me, bro. Don't get
Spell again. First name?
Giselle.
Spell it.
Giselle.
Yeah, no. You got a valid quantity response out of Chicago.
Said he has a warrant.
Negative. 999 came back. And you're a female or do you have a male?
Yeah.
This file that came back is coming back on a female. 51130 Brown over Brown.
Female.
Disregard, it is a female. I have a file for you if you want to attach it.
Let me pull that female I have it.
You have a female for a search. One hitter?
Doesn't look like we have any females on. 727.
27.
Telephone file 702. She's willing to do a search for us.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
352, you guys are at 950 Park, right?
You want to just transfer back and have them meet us?
Okay. 702, would you mind doing a search for us at 950 Park?
We have Tracy there.
Oh, we do?
I don't know if we even know either.
702, Sunday, sir.
I mean, unless you kind of have a lot of layers on, you can do another one while she's out here. Doesn't hurt. She's already on the way.
Yeah, makes sense. Any pockets in this one? No? How many more layers you got?
Just that. And
Just
the shirt
that?
under.
The
Yeah.
shirt under? Okay. So you're a female. Do you identify as a female?
Transgender man.
You're transgender?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this tied to? Off top? I want to put them down, okay?
Yeah, let's just have Walter. Just find Tracy.
Have you made the transition fully?
No, not this stuff.
Okay. So you still have female reproductive organs? Okay.
Three names over if you got actual.
Representing.
Do you want to go talk to Starbucks?
On this call.
I think Collinsville.
Just figure out how much they're missing.
Yeah, you got the watch.
She also has a bunch of coins. Pocket. Is that the only cash you got?
Yeah.
Yeah. No inner pockets on these? Just a shirt underneath, you said?
Yeah.
What do you got right there? It's your belt? Yeah, you got multiple layers. We're gonna wait around. We're gonna get a female out here to do the search. I'm just gonna do a quick pat. No weapons on you at all, right? You said you just got back from Cook County Courthouse?
Yeah.
Did you take the bus to get out here, or how'd you get out here?
Yeah, I took the bus.
You took the bus to get out here? Is that what you were trying to do to get back, or? You went to Starbucks to go figure out how much is owed.
I was just there. It's like, they don't really know, like 20 something. She just reached in and grabbed a bunch of shit.
Thank you.
Did he, like, walk over there?
733.
I heard 95th of Oak Park, and I'm like, 95th of Oak Park,
It looks like
BP.
somebody in a light post
Two
just
different
north of
streets.
123 in Kedzie. Not sure if that's county or Blue Island.
Just wait. Do you want me to just take her in? You want me to
Yes,
take her
the
also?
north of 123, Kedzie.
See where else. Tracy's in lock. If they're close, one thing. If not, I mean, pet it down. Pet it down. Hey, how much is she? Maybe have Tracy step out, or either have us meet you at the station doing the Sally Port, or Tracy step out to the Sally Port. She's at 107 in class. We don't want anything to get inside. She's at 107 in class. All right. I would just have Tracy come out to the Sally.
Okay.
Don't bring her to lock.
Have them turn around then?
Yeah.
Alright. Central 352, you can have that unit come on out here to just disregard. We're going to be transferring her to the station. We have locked come on, units in the 7 4.
That way we just make sure. Yeah.
Alright, do you want to offer to disregard? So you can disregard. Thank you.
Where's all the money?
Here to the link.
Oh, okay.
Here's passport.
Thanks, awesome. Alright, step back from real quick. We get it back in the car. Have a seat. Lean back for me.
They ended up charging her with theft. Do you think this was a case of desperate times calls for desperate measures? Because I'm pretty sure she knew there was a strong chance that she would be caught, but she still decided to steal anyways. But share your thoughts on this incident below and hit that like and subscribe button.